guys, I wanted to give you a couple of tips and tricks that we use here to get the best engraving or photos on wood. And typically we're using birch plywood, but it tends to engrave kind of a light tan. And to get the best results, here's what we do. One, using an orbital sander will help you get all of the little fingers and stuff like that off the rough plywood. Just sand it down with a really fine sandpaper, and you're going to create a much smoother surface to engrave and get all the detail down. Second is a spray bottle with baking soda and water mix. So we use about 2 tablespoons to 28 fluid ounces in that spray bottle. So you don't need a whole heck of a lot, but it does make a huge difference, and we'll bring you over to the machine and we'll show you. I'm actually just gonna spray this down real quick, let it dry, and we'll go from there. All right, so we're doing wood engraving. We're gonna do a photo of a Shelby Mustang on birch wood that has been treated with baking soda. And we're just using an American Photronics 1.5-inch lens, nothing spectacular, and really low power, because the way that this the solution works, the water and baking soda mixture, it really brings out the burn. It really makes it dark, and it doesn't work on all woods, but it is something to experiment and try. So let's get this engraved, and we'll do a side-by-side of treated and not treated. All right, guys, so here is the result. And on the right, we have a non-treated plain old birch, and on the left, we have the one that was sprayed with the baking soda solution. So let that engrave, and then I did a light sand, and those are the results I came up with. And I mean, it's visibly obvious that the solution side is much darker, much more detailed engraved, and something that you could easily do to try to bring out a little bit more darkness in the engraving. Now, the great thing about this, I'm using almost no power. I'm using, I was 10 inches per second and 9.6% power on a 100-watt laser. Using a 1.5-inch lens, that's my result. And here are a couple other photos that we use the same formula and process on. Enjoy, make sure you subscribe and like, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks, guys.